Watching 5 seconds of video, you can earn up to $2, and there are hundreds of videos that you can watch and earn money online. People from different countries around the world are making thousands of dollars watching YouTube videos. So you can be from India or from Philippines, Bangladesh, Nigeria or Vietnam, or you can still make money online by just watching YouTube videos. So today I'll show you 3 secret websites starting from lowest paying website to the highest paying one that pays you real money for watching YouTube videos. So let's start with the first website on our list. I'll reveal the name of the website in a minute. As you can see, this is the least paying website on our list, but don't worry, I'll show you a bonus trick to make 10 times more money by watching the same video on this lowest paying website. For example, if you are getting paid 20 cents to watch this video, after using bonus trick, you will be making $2 for watching the same video. Now, as you can see on this website, there are many jobs that you can complete, such as testing jobs, mobile application jobs, social media jobs, survey jobs, and much more. And all these jobs takes 3 to 5 minutes to complete. But today we want to make money by watching YouTube videos. So we will select video or music sharing platform from there. So now you will see only YouTube jobs on your screen. Now we can choose to start with any of these YouTube jobs available on your screen, and of course we would like to complete the most paying YouTube jobs first, and for this you can simply click on where it says most paying on the top of the job section over here, and once you click it, this site will show you the most paying YouTube job first. As you can see, the website has rearranged the order of jobs to most paying jobs on the top and least paying jobs on the bottom. One more important thing is that you can see this TTF section over here, which means the time taken to finish watching this video in minutes. So the amount you are getting paid here is for this much minutes of watching a YouTube video. So make sure you find a job where you are getting paid more for the least time possible. In this way, you will be making more amount of money in less amount of time, and you will have time to complete all video tasks, and you can earn money from all these tasks. So now all you have to do is open up a task that you want to complete. Let's say I want to watch this video to make money. Let's say I want to watch this video to make money. It will take you to this page where you can see the number of people that have watched this video out of the total number of people required to watch this video. Next, you will see the amount of money you will make after watching this video and the time it will take you to complete watching this video. Also, here you can see the maximum positions per worker, that is 1 in our case. If this is more than 1, let's say if this is 5, then it means you can watch this video task 5 times. So you will get paid 5 times the amount mentioned over here. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see the requirements of this job. So read all these requirements carefully and complete the task accordingly. Basically, these video tasks require you to go over to the YouTube search for a specific keyword and watch a specific video on that keyword. And for all those YouTube videos you watch, you will get paid certain amount mentioned in this job. The only thing you need to keep in mind is you need to upload certain screenshots of the video you watched as a proof that you completed the task, and for uploading your screenshot you can use free website. So on this website you can simply browse and upload the screenshot from your device, and after uploading it, this site will give you a link which you can simply copy from here, and you can paste the link in the screenshot box. So once you complete watching videos, you will get paid within as many days as mentioned over here. So the name of this website is microworker.com. Microworker is a website where you can complete some simple job tasks and get paid for doing so. And watching videos is one of the tasks available on Microworker. If you want, you can complete some other tasks as well and can also get paid a good amount of money. And to register on this website, you just need some simple information. And once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, which is $5 on Microworker, you can just simply click on withdrawal option to withdraw your earnings. Then click on place a new withdrawal request, and it will take you to this page from where you can select the different payment method available. Now let's move on to the second website. This website is somewhat similar to Microworker, but it pays more money for watching YouTube videos. As you can see here, you can find a ton of videos to watch and earn money online. Microworkers show only those tasks which are available in your country, but on this site you can see all the tasks available for different countries. But keep in mind, you can only perform the tasks that are available for your country or the international tasks that are available for all countries around the world. And if you want, you can select your country from this bar available on the top. You can search for your country and you can select that from here Otherwise, you will find a ton of international tasks on this website, so you can make a ton of money watching YouTube videos. But for our future videos, comment down below the name of your country so that I can create more make money online videos for you and others watching from your country. Okay, so now I want you to select the most paying option from the top of the website, and the site will show you all the most paying tasks available here. Now to find all YouTube videos to watch, you just need to search for YouTube in this job name box over here and press enter. Now the site will show you all the most paying YouTube jobs available to watch. And the good thing is that you just need to watch these videos for 3 to 5 minutes to earn a good amount of money. And if I scroll down, you can see that there is endless list of hundred of YouTube videos which you can watch and earn a ton of money online. And most of these videos are available for international category. So you can be from anywhere in the world and you can still make a lot of money by just watching YouTube videos on this website. And if you notice, the least amount you will get paid here will be 3 cents, and the highest you can earn up to $5 for watching one YouTube video. Even if we take the highest amount as $1, you will be earning on average of $50 for each YouTube video you watch, which is really awesome because you are getting paid for watching those YouTube videos which you generally watch on YouTube. Now to complete any of the tasks, all you need to do is open it up, and on this page you can see the number of people already completed this task, the amount of money you will earn from this task, and the time it will take to complete watching the video. Once again, read carefully what is expected from you as a worker, that there is proofs required. You can see that right here, and to upload your screenshots as a proof, you can use these two websites mentioned over here. So the name of this website is rapidworkers.com. Rapidworkers is a micro task website that help individuals, small businesses and even professionals to create low cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, etc. Other than YouTube, you can do many other micro tasks that can also help you to earn a good amount of money on Rapidworkers. Once your balance is over $8, you can take withdrawal from this website. The only thing is that you can take withdrawal in your PayPal account only. They don't have any other payment options available to take withdrawal. You need to send a mail including your registered email on Rapidworkers, your PayPal email, and your IP address under the last login info to this email ID mentioned over here, and your payment will be sent within 24 to 48 hours from this website. Now come over to the third website and the most paying website on our list. As you can see, people from different countries around the world are making thousands of dollars on this website. Once you log into your account, the dashboard of this website will look something like this. But don't worry, you don't need to do any freelance work over here. You only need to watch videos to make money online. If you want, you can turn on the dark mode from here. So once you are on the dashboard of this website, I want you to make sure the freelancer is selected on the top of this website. Then I want you to hover your mouse over micro jobs and click on where it says find jobs. So you can see on this jobs page, there are hundreds of micro tasks that you can perform and earn money, but today we want to make $2 for watching 5 seconds of video. So I want you to come to the top of this website and press this category option from there. Now I want you to scroll down a little bit and take this video marketing option from there and click apply button. So now the site will show you the video watching task available here. As you can see, you can watch this video for 5 seconds only. You will get paid $2 for that. Yes, by watching a 5 seconds video, you can earn $2 on the site. Not only that, if you watch the video and subscribe to the channel, you can earn $3 for that. And the good thing is, this task is available for all international workers. So you can be from US, UK, Canada, India, Nigeria, Philippines, and you can still make money with this. Also, you don't need any experience for this. You can be complete beginner or complete starter, and you can still complete this task and make money with it. Now to complete this task, you just need to open up this task, and on this page you can read the requirements of this job carefully. So you just need to perform all these steps one by one to complete this task of watching video. And under that, you can see the proofs you are required to submit to successfully complete watching the video task. And here under that, You need to submit your screenshots and you need to type in the required answer from this task. As soon as you complete this task, you will be paid within 1 day for the $2 you earned. Now the name of the website is SproutGig. The former name of SproutGig was Pico Worker. This is a website where freelancers and business owners around the world connect, and now you can see there are only 2 video watching tasks available here, but don't worry, and you will see new video tasks every day. Now I am about to reveal the bonus trick that will help you to make 10 times more money from the same video you watched. So if you are getting $2 from this task normally, after using this bonus trick you can earn $20 for watching the same video, and that bonus trick is to create 10 different email IDs and create 10 different accounts on Microworkers, Rapidworkers and even SproutGigs, so that you can complete the same video task from 10 accounts using 10 different tabs in the same amount of time. And one more bonus tip is that you can complete many video tasks at the same time by opening them in different tabs. So you can watch 4 to 5 different videos in each tab, and you can make more amount of money in the same amount of time. Thanks for watching. See you.